innovation-driven, leading technology. Founded in 2020, AMIBA Intelligent Technology Company Limited has always insisted on innovation-driven, focusing on technology research and development. We not only focus on the current market demand, but also committed to research and development of high-performance, environmentally friendly new energy products required by the future market. Through continuous optimization of battery technology, we have successfully provided a series of high-quality, safe and environmentally friendly energy storage battery products for global customers. Wide range of applications and limited prospects. Our main products are widely used in the fields of mobile energy, power storage and solar energy, etc. Our products provide more professional storage and regulation solutions for renewable energy, which help to improve power stability and reliability. In the field of solar energy, our energy storage batteries are used in conjunction with solar panels to achieve more efficient and sustainable energy use. Thirdly, high-quality service, win-win cooperation. We always adhere to the customer-centric principle and dedicated to providing quality products and technical services to every customer. Through the establishment of a global sales network and perfect after-sales service system, we ensure that every customer can enjoy professional and timely service. At the same time, we also actively carry out international cooperation and establish strategic partnerships with global famous enterprises to jointly promote the development of new energy industry. Like most people, we always believe that in the near future, new energy will greatly change our lives.